finger, two little fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little fingers. Shake your fingers, shake your hands. Hello, students.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, students?
We are fine, thank you. How are you, teacher?
I'm fine, thank you. Are you ready to have some fun?
Yes.
Let's play. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Students want to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Teacher, do you want to play?
Yes, let's play hide and seek. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come. Gray koala, where are you?
Here I am, here I am. How do you do?
How do you do? Orange fox, where are you?
Here I am, here I am. What do you do?
How do you do?
How do you do? How do you do?
Brown owl, where are you?
Here I am, here I am. How do you do?
How do you do?
How do you do?
Black spider, where are you?
Here I am, here I am. How do you do?
How do you do?
How do you do? How do you do?
Brown horse, where are you?
Here I am, here I am. How do you do?
How do you do?
How
Do you do? How do you do?
how do you do?
Gray hedgehog, where are you?
Here I am, here I am. How do you do?
How do you do?
How do you do?
How
How
do
do
you
you do? How do you do?
Let's run. I am standing in the classroom on the floor in front of Petra, behind Dunja.
I am standing in the floor on the classroom in front of Milena, behind Petra. I'm standing in the classroom on the floor in front of Marta, behind Petra. I am standing in the classroom on the floor in front of Vojin, behind Milena. I am standing in the classroom on the floor in front of Časlav, behind Marta. I am standing in the classroom on the floor in front of Dunja, behind the Vojin. I am standing in the classroom on the floor in front of teacher, behind Vojin. Časlav. Brown bear, what do you see?
I see a gray koala looking at me.
Gray koala, what do you see? see a brown owl looking at me.
Brown owl, what do you see?
I see an orange fox looking at me.
Orange fox, what do you see?
I see the brown horse looking at me.
Brown horse, what do you see?
A gray hedgehog looking at me.
Gray hedgehog, what do you see?
I see the black spider looking at me.
Black spider, what do you see?
I see the brown bear looking at me.
Wow, that's it. Hello, gray koala.
Hello, brown bear.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
And how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Serbia, Belgrade, Serbia.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is guy.
Of course. Hello, brown owl.
Hello, brown bear.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the owl.
Hello, orange fox.
Hello, brown bear.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
7.
And what's your favorite animal?
Fox.
Of course. Hello, gray hedgehog.
Hello, brown bear.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I am
What's your favorite animal?
hedgehog, of course.
Hello, brown horse.
So,
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
7.
What's your favorite animal?
Horse.
Hello, black spider.
Hello, brown bear.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
9.
What's your favorite animal?
Shark.
I'm scared of sharks. This is my cave.
This is my farm.
Good.
This is my hive of leaves. This is my burrow. This is my nest. This is my tree. This is my web.
Bravo, well done everybody. And now it's time to play. Okay, let's make the patch. Very good. Okay, Petra. Over here. Watch your foot, watch your foot. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right?
Right.
So one butt, one circle. Okay? No, two. It's okay. Okay, ready? So when I say sit down, you sit. Okay, ready? Okay. So we move around the bench. Theodora, Masho, can you move a little bit? Just a little bit. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Ready? A bee lives in a beehive. A bee lives hive. A bee lives in a beehive. A bird lives in a nest. That's right. A bird lives in a nest. A bird lives in a nest. A bear lives in a cave. A bear lives in a cave. Sit down, take a rest. Sorry, Dunja, but you get a maraca. Okay, stand up, everyone. How many players?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 players and 1, 2, 3, 4 seats. That's right. Ready? A little bit faster. A bee lives in a beehive. A bee lives in a beehive. A bee lives in a beehive. A bird lives in a nest. That's right. A bird lives in a nest. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Well done. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Sit down, take a rest. Oh, Marta, okay, here you go, Marta. 1 maraca for you. How many players now? 2. Thank you. 4 players, 3 seats. Ready? Here we go. A bee lives in a beehive. A bee lives in a beehive. A bee lives in a beehive. A bird lives in a nest. A bird lives in a nest. A spider lives in a a spider lives in a web. A spider lives in a web. Sit down, take a rest. Well done, oh, that's okay. Good job, everyone. Okay, here we go. 3 players, 2 seats. Okay, let's put them apart like this. Okay, ready? Here we go. A bee lives in a beehive. A bee lives in a beehive. A bee lives in a beehive. A bird lives in a nest. That's right. A bird lives in a nest. A horse lives on a farm. A horse lives on a farm. Sit down, take a rest. Sorry, well done, so. Petra and Časlav, 2 players, 1 seat left. Okay, here we go. Ready? A bee lives in a beehive. A bee lives in a beehive. A bee lives in a beehive. A bird lives in a nest. That's right. A bird lives in a nest. A bird lives in a nest. A bear lives in a cave. A bear lives in a cave. A bear lives in a cave. Sit down, take a rest. Oh! Well done for playing. Ok, znači još jednom da ih predstavim, bili su sjajni danas. Petra, Milena, Dunja, Marta, Časlav i Vojin. Are you ready? Let's